Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got a secret present from my mummy. She told me, she brought it and thank you for me for cleaning my room for this video. So let's see what it is. Let's see, black. I think it might be a guys, if you like Hello World, you're gonna like this. Wonder which who it is. And in the description you'll be able to get this. Guess what I got. So it is an OMG Orange Ribbon Bells Dance Dance Dance, and there's 15 surprises. And these are the ones you can collect. And I'm not telling you, I'm only going to tell you two. I'm going to tell you number 8 and number 5. So number 5 is Miss Royal, and number 8 is Virtual. And the other two are the limited edition. And if you see, you can see I might have one of the limited edition. I don't know. It's a surprise. But I just hadn't shown you that was a dance. But in the effect, it'll just be. So guys, I'm ready to open it. And at the back it shows us to. Oh, I don't know what to. Oh, it tells us to at the bottom. Oh. Like, you go like this, guys. Mum, can you get the plastic out of this? This is so cool, guys. Can you get the plastic out? Hey, guys, look! It's this girl! I got one of the limited edition, and I don't know why I can't get her out. Pia, Mum, why did you do that? There's one plastic one left. There's one plastic one left, Mum.
Okay.
Can you cut it?
I'll cut it, yeah.
So, right here, this is her little. This bit, I guess, is right here. And if you're serious, like, I'm going to give a shout out to Zia. This, you get this is the and then you get her in the back. And it isn't, I got the limited edition, guys. So, it's a little passport you get like this. But it's like this. And take 2. So guys, this is what the girl looks like. Her name is Big Girl. I'm Big Girl. So I'm gonna open this, guys. You got this little surprise. You got cool glasses. Let me put her on her. I feel like she's gonna have earrings. Hello, I'm Machine Ruby. And these are the glasses I got. Let's put her on her. And we're gonna put them around the ears, guys, if you remember. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you'd like to buy a LOL, wouldn't you? And shout out to Zia again. She is best friend I could ever have in the world. So this, I think this might be a light. Look, guys, if you show you. I'm sliding in the dirt. Look, it makes you kneel. So that's pretty cool. By the way, there's Mum.
Yep.
Where can I get this one?
You can slide it.
This. Guys, if you're subscribed, this is the big reveal. Dun, 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 dun. Where can I? So So this is her cute and kawaii jacket. But she doesn't. Can you put it on one? What's I unbox? There are more surprises. So 1, 2, 3. What's this? Brush. Is that it? Guys, I'm opening it. Oh, I didn't notice. These earrings. That's so cute, aren't they? Y'all. So, I'm just gonna put this, guys. If you're a big fan, please. These are the earring goodies and mugs. I'm just gonna put them on. And okay. And thank you for LOL. So I'm making these OMG dolls. Shout out to Theo. This gets posted out. It won't be tomorrow. So this is what she looks like. We guessed the shoes, and this is what the socks look like. And if you enjoyed this video, I would think you would like to see my other videos. I might be able to put some more of these, but different. And this is what my mum's hairstyle actually looks like sometimes at the front, isn't it? Or like on the side. And she's actually wearing it right moment. So look, and we call her. We have 2 more others of these. We unboxed with their families in the other videos. And my favourite one is probably the blue and the scale. And she like has these nails. Is this different? And their arms can fall off, but you can put them back on. Can't you? Like this. I can't do it because I don't want it. So guys, bye.